Hey there folks, Slayton here, another exciting removal. This time we're in the town of Brownsville, Texas. We got a swarm of bees in a garage. We're about to relocate. God bless us, we don't get slowed up so much. Find that, put up a show for y'all. Stay tuned. Clip. Está bien, vamos a... Loki. Está en penguía. Venga para acá para adentro. Queenie, 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 Queenie. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to do what I do. Without you, I am nothing. Thank you, St. Martha, Sadiq, your guardian angel. Queenkiss. Once again, folks, subscribe up on top. Give us a like down below. Leave us a comment. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. Be smart, be safe, be strong. Till next time, keep saving them bees. Little quickie, huh? Damn, that was fast. When you good, boy? Where's that bad girl at? Slayton and Sue's, what do we say? Oh, my nose. Queenkiss. Let's see, Renee, thank you for watching. Mark, I know. Philip Valdez, Guerrero, Mark. Yeah, thank you all for watching. Moving on to the next one. About 4 to do today, so we'll be good. Queenkiss. We'll see y'all later. Now you see why I post on my personal page, why I work out every day, because I got to be ready for this. Work begins in the off season for us. Remember that. See y'all later. Appreciate you.